So me and Scott just hit up Five Guys, and we were supposed to hang out with 2 other people, but they could not make it out. So well, we're gonna go hit up some spots, take some cool pictures, and then we're gonna go and hit up some back roads and see how the GoPro does. Alright guys, well before I could even hit up the back roads, actually we just started hitting the back roads, and I was gonna stop, pull over and record. I started recording, and my car is on a jack right now because so excited to start ripping it around these corners. And what do you know? The biggest rock is just in the middle of the road. And so look at that. Here, I'm gonna try getting you guys really close. Look how big that dent is. There's a massive dent under my car. It's insane, and that's vibrating so loud when driving. I'm pretty sure it's squished against my transmission. And I was literally just about to start recording some back road, and we're gonna go hit up a couple drift spots, but nope. Instead, I'm pulled over on the side of the road, and I was like, oh, maybe the rock is just, you know, lodged in my transmission or something. I might get out really quick, but nope, that's not the case. So I'm gonna go ahead and lower my car and drive home really slow. So I didn't really crash my car, but you know, I messed it up pretty bad. Probably gonna have to take off the skid plate, hammer it back in, and then put it back on my car. It's like the best thing I can do, but I'm gonna go ahead and lower my car and go home all sad. Sounds awful, and that is why I could not do the tug courses or Touge courses. You know, that real, you know, Touge courses, but you know, I am so upset, man. I was so ready to have a blast going around the corners tonight, but instead just stuck with going home, and hopefully I can fix this with no issues at all. All right guys, it's finally time to see exactly what is wrong with my car. So let's assess the damage, and hopefully it's not too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and lift up the car. So I'm gonna start off by just jacking this side up and taking off my skid plate, and hopefully that will fix my issue. Just taking off the skid plate, I'll probably go drive it around, and hopefully my transmission is okay, and hopefully I'm not leaking any oil. I have it lifted up on jack stands. Let's take a look. So this is where the main impact was at. It looks like a hit up here. So this looks kind of dented in, and then back here is like major impact. It looks a little damp, but not too bad. And then it looks like it kept going down. You can see like kind of where it goes down at, all the way down. So I guess I'm gonna start off by just taking this metal thing off, because I think this is what is rubbing or something. I don't know exactly. I'm just gonna start off by taking off the skid plate right here, and hopefully I can find out my problem. So I got some bolts off, and I was coming down to this bolt, and it is so messed up from the impact. It's supposed to be a 12mm bolt, however, it's like this thing's messed up. I compare it to this bolt and then go back up to this one. It got like demolished. I cannot believe how messed up it actually is. That's insane. So I guess I'm gonna try putting a 13mm on it. I don't know. I'm looking for the damage, and honestly I don't really see much. Like this all appears to be flat stuff. I feel like that curvature and indentation right there has always been there. I don't really see much going on. I really have no idea. I don't know if that was causing the rattling noise I had. Let's pull pull this down and try looking up in the transmission area. But again, I don't really see much going on. That's my transmission. Nothing appears to be touching it. I'm gonna try getting a closer look without the camera for a second. There's nothing lodged anywhere. There's nothing touching anything. Like my bar is still straight. Everything down here is still straight. Guess I'm gonna lower the car without the skid plate on and see if it continues to rattle or not. And look at my scrapes though. Man. Alright, so it's definitely on the passenger side, like right below the seat. So I'm gonna turn around and go back home and see if I can see anything on the passenger side. It's definitely when you're in higher RPM, it just starts knocking like crazy. So let's go ahead and turn around and go back. Alright guys, I have finally fixed the issue. It ended up the rock. You know how I showed you guys it hit my exhaust? Well, when it hit my exhaust, there's I can't really show you now, but there's one 14mm bolt. You cannot miss it for your mid pipe that basically holds your mid pipe steady in place. I basically loosened that 14mm up and I pushed my exhaust over and then tightened it back up because my exhaust was actually rattling off the frame of my car, I guess, or I don't know, it was just rattling against the sidewall of underneath my car, and that was what was making that loud knocking noise. Thankfully, my engine isn't knocking. You know, that would have been way worse. But you know, I got some mods to hopefully keep my engine from knocking for a long time coming. But yeah, I am so happy that I figured out what the problem was. I wish that I had tools on me at the time whenever I was at the Touge course. I know it's not really courses, it's just like, you know, it's just really fast cornering area that I know of in Mexico. So if I had my tools, I easily could have fixed this right then and there, but I had no tools. I would have figured it out and got it, but oh well, it is all good. I'm happy that it was a quick, fast, easy fix. And next up, angle kit. So I will see you guys whenever I am getting my angle kit put on in the next video. I am so happy that that was all the problem was with my car. I need to adjust my exhaust at some point. I need to take the entire exhaust off and redo it all. But for now, it is good. So hope you guys enjoyed this fail of a video. I was supposed to go backroading really hard and get some really good GoPro footage for you guys for the first time. But unfortunately, that did not happen because of one rock boy. Like, who would win? One rock boy or just me trying to go have some fun on some back roads? Of course, the stupid rock boy won. Well, not today though. I went ahead and fixed it. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.